Say hi to Larkin. Larkin, say hi to Flame. What's her name? What's her name? Flame. Can you say Flame? That's your pony, Flame. Larkin, bring me the bucket. Can I have the bucket? Larkin, can I have the bucket? Thank you. Larkin has the bucket. Okay, we're going to feed Moto. We're going to put Moto's food in the bucket. Go ahead. Where does Moto live? Nope, that's Flame. Come on. We gotta do Moto. We have to do Moto. Come on. All the way down here. Larkin. Come on. Moto's hungry. Here he is. Oh, he's hungry. Here, bring it here, Larkin. Oh, pick it up. Pick it up. That's the bucket. That's the bucket. And it needs to get wet for Charlie Brown. Water. Water in the bucket. What does a horse say, Charlie Brown? What does a horse say? Charlie Brown. Oh. What does a horse say? Here. Give Charlie the carrot. Good girl. We're going to count the buckets. Okay, ready? 1, 2, this one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Show me 10. Larkin, where's 10? 10. 10. Larkin's in the wheelbarrow. Are you going to go for a ride in the wheelbarrow? Larkin has a snack. Larkin likes hash browns. That's a snack from Dunkin' Donuts. Larkin finishes up her snack from Dunkin' Donuts with munchkins. Where's your munchkin? Where's your munchkin? Do you like munchkins? Yeah? That's your munchkin. Larkin, take the blanket off. Take Flame's blanket off. Ready? And take the blanket off. You do it. Take it off. Good girl. You took Flame's blanket off. Good girl. Come on. Larkin walks Flame. You do it. You tell her to go. Go ahead. You have your whip. Say trot, Flame. Go ahead. Tell her. Trot, Flame. Where's Flame? Where'd she go? You chase her. Go ahead. You chase her. Tell her to trot. Okay, we're going to make Flame jump. Tell her trot. Here she goes. Oh, come on, Flame, jump. There she goes. Okay, tell Flame to go. Use your whip. Tell her to go. Use your whip. Say, trot, Flame. I'll help you. Go ahead. Chase her, tell her go. And we're gonna jump. Come on, you do it. Good job. Do it again. Come on, let's go get her. Tell Flame trot. Okay, we're gonna put Flame on the rope and we're gonna bring her back to the barn. Get the end of the rope. Good girl. You're gonna put it on her halter. Can you put the rope on her halter? I'll help you. Can you do it? Yep. I'm gonna bring Flame back to the barn. This way, Larkin. Bring Flame this way. We're gonna bring her back in the barn. This way. Over here. Come on, this way. Walk to me. Walk to me, Larkin. Down to the side a little bit. Whoopsies. Ready? I'm going to use the pick. Stand off to the side a little bit. Right here. Now you brush. Here, Larkin. Brush your foot. Brush your foot. Good job. Use the brush and brush it. Very good. Where's her horseshoe? This is her horseshoe. Brush your foot. That's the pick. Use the brush. Use the brush. Brush her foot. Good job. And this is the horseshoe. Can you point to the horseshoe? Point to the horseshoe. Point to the horseshoe. That's the horseshoe. Good job. Okay, that one's all done. We're going to put her foot down. Good job. Brush her leg. Larkin, use the brush. Brush. You do it. You want this one? Larkin brushes the horse. Good. Brush her leg. Brush her leg. Good job. Brush her leg. Very nice.